Hello guys, welcome to yet another video from the Let's Trade community. Today I'm coming up with a very short video for TradingView lovers. If you use TradingView, you know that TradingView has the free features and the paid features, right? So today I want to show you one cool trick that is available on the paid feature of TradingView. I want to show you how you can actually use it for free, and what I'm about to show you today is the multiple screen windows on one window. That is, you can view multiple screens on one window. It's paid on TradingView, but in this video I'm going to show you how to use it for completely free. But before I continue, please do well to smash the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, like, comment, share, do whatever you want to do with the video, download, save, just show us some love, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. To be able to use this cool feature that is paid on the TradingView for free, first of all you have to download this browser. They call it the Vivaldi browser. This is what the logo looks like. Okay, so you want to download this browser here. So after downloading it, go ahead and uninstall it. Then after installation, you can open the browser. When you open the browser, you will see some tools, or what do I call it, some icons on the left and down below here. If you like it, you can leave it, but I don't like it, so I'll just click here, hide panel, right? Anyways, that's not why we are here. So first of all, I want to open TradingView, so I'll just go ahead and open TradingView. So what you want to do is to open different tabs depending on how you want to use it. So here we have eurusd, here we have gold, here we have gbpusd, and here we have BTC. Okay, so now after opening these four tabs, what you want to do is you want to hold your control key or alt key depending on the kind of system you use. But for my system, for my computer, I use control key to select control, then I hold control down, select all these tabs. Right now, this is where the magic happens. What I want to do next now is where the magic happens. Now you want to right click and click on tile 4 tabs. Okay, now when I click on tile 4 tabs, that's where the magic happens. I'll just go ahead and click it. Now as you can see, we have our 4 different chart windows on one window, right? We have eurusd here, we have gbpusd, we have the gold, and we have BTC, right? So you can also do this with you can tweak this any which way you like it. You can open eurusd 1 month and open eurusd here for like 1 week time frame. You open eurusd here for daily time frame, and you open eurusd here for 4 hours time frame, and look at those different time frames simultaneously. Or you can open different windows if you are trying to monitor different windows. Anyways, guys, this is how to use the 4 tabs window on a single window that is actually paid on TradingView for free using the Vivaldi browser app. So with this, we've come to an end of this video. Kindly do well to smash the subscribe button, turn on post notification. If you have any questions, or maybe any stuff you want us to make a video on, just leave us a comment in the comment section down below. Bye guys, take it easy, see you in the next video.